Most of the continuing students who are trying to apply for their subsequent Helb are being asked to update their Helb profile. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update your Helb profile if you are a continuing student. So without further ado, let's get started. So of course, the first thing is to log in to your Helb portal, and then I want you to scroll down and click on my profile and then update profile. And in a few, this will load, and you can see it is 89% complete, which is a problem. Okay, so I want you to scroll down, and then here, what you need is the photo, the passport photo, and the scanned national ID card. And so I will be taking you through the process of setting up the required photo with the correct dimensions. So the dimensions should be in pixels in the first place, and then the width is 300, the height is 250, and the resolution you can set it at 150, and then click OK. And in this case, I'm using Photoshop, so you can use any other software provided you have the required dimensions. Once you drop in your photo, all you need to do is to resize, just like that. So I'm going to resize the photo. Okay, I think at that point, okay, that is fine. Then I'll click on this tick. And the next thing is to remove the background. And so I will do that by using the select subject option, and Photoshop will use AI to select the very subject so that you can separate the subject and the background. And it has selected, but there's a problem over here. So it has selected the light as part of the body. So I'm going to remove this part of the light from the selection, just like that. And voila, we now have the subject selected. Now I will click on this mask to create a negative mask, just like that. And from there, all we need to do now is to export this as a JPEG. So I'll click on File, then Export as, and this window will load. And on the format, we'll change it to JPEG. And okay, I'll scroll here, resample, I'll choose bicubic sharper. And then here I will make sure that I embed the color profile, then click on export. Here I will choose where to export it to and change the name of the file, okay, just like that. And then I will click on save, and it will save my photo. Now I have to go back to Google, and then I'm going to upload this very picture that we've just set a few minutes ago. And here it is. So I'll click on open, and then here I have to crop and resize so that it fits. So I'll do that pretty quick. And after that, I'll click on crop. Then we need to upload the scanned copy of the national ID. So I'll do that. I'll open where I've placed the very ID, and then I will upload it just like that. And then all I need to do now is to click on save and continue. But it will take a few moments, and then it will save the changes. Now on the residence, we just need to make sure that everything is well put. So I'll click on save. On education, we also need to make sure that it is well. And if it is, we move to institution and check the details. The details are good. So we need just to move ahead, and then we move to parents, and on parents, we have all their details over there. Then we just need to move to complete profile. And here, Helb student loan and or scholarship request. Remember, you are a continuing student, so you are not qualified for the scholarship. So here we only have one option, which is the Helb student loan. And so we'll just save and proceed to Helb loan. And once you save, it will take you back to the dashboard, and the profile is now 100% complete. You can now go ahead and use your mobile phone to apply for the subsequent loan. The subsequent loan is not available on the website or on the desktop, so you are required to download the Helb app and then use that app to apply for the subsequent Helb loan. And it will be pretty quick because we've already updated our profile. And if you have any questions, feel very free to drop us a comment. I'll be glad to reply to your comment. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people. If you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.